Hey guys, my name is Jason Neistadt and I've been shooting video, making films, and working with clients in video production for over 30 years. Now whether I'm filming TV shows, music videos, or cinematic stories on the go, one thing has always stayed true. Video is one of the most powerful storytelling tools in the world. And in this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to go from total beginner to confident filmmaker. And don't worry, this is not just for people with expensive gear or pro cameras. The camera I'm filming with right now is a Nikon Z8, but throughout this course I'll be using my Nikon Z6 III with a flip-out screen. Now this is just because they're my main personal cameras that I trust and use daily. But everything I'm teaching applies no matter what camera you're using, whether it's Canon, Sony, Fuji, Panasonic, or even your phone. It's all about understanding the principles behind great video. By the end of this course, you're gonna know how to shoot beautiful footage, capture great audio, light your scenes like a pro, and tell stories that connect with your audience. And the best part is I'm not gonna make you memorize technical jargon or buy a ton of gear. I'm gonna show you exactly what matters and what doesn't, so that way you can focus on creating. This course is packed with real-world examples, simple breakdowns, and exercises that you can try today. You'll also find a free downloadable gear list and starter guide in the description, so make sure to grab that. I really wanted to create the kind of videography course that I wish I had when I started, something that actually walks you through everything, not just camera settings and not just gear, but the whole process. Lighting, audio, lenses, storytelling, editing, everything you need to start creating stunning cinematic videos without having to jump around YouTube for 15 hours trying to piece it all together. And that's why I made this course completely free. There's no sponsored ads, no signups, it's just all here. So you can bookmark it if you want and come back to it whenever you need it. If you do get something out of it, the only thing I ask is if you just hit subscribe. It really helps me keep making stuff like this for creators like you. So with all that said, if you've ever wanted to create videos that actually look cinematic, or if you just want to finally understand how to use your camera like a filmmaker, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and get started.